Now don't laugh, so Mabuhay. Does that sound okay? Is that okay? So Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Just letting you all know, at My Experts, we've been helping the Filipino community for nearly 15 years. We've helped hundreds and hundreds of first-home buyers buy their first home. And particularly, we're having conversations now with a lot of those first-home buyers, whether they sell that and buy a new owner-occupied home, or whether they keep it as an investment and then buy another owner-occupied home. So the Filipino community that we've helped out 10 years ago, they're the conversations that we're having with them today. In particular, a lot of those clients as well are reaching out to us to say, should we lock in our rate, maybe fixed rate, because we're a little bit worried about the rates going up. They're conversations that we're having every day with our Filipino clients. So don't just think that we help you initially to buy your first home. We will continue to engage with you, have conversations, and help you make the right decisions through life. One other little story is we're helping clients to get to retirement. So let's say we help you today to buy your first home, but in 30 years' time, I'm not joking, we can definitely make sure you have a sizable retirement amount through different strategies, whether it's property, superannuation, self-managed super funds. There's a lot of ways to build wealth, contributing extra into your super, that by the time you retire and work hard, you'll have $3 million plus in your retirement fund. Now, the sooner you start that journey and buy your first home, it then goes through stages of life. I'm not kidding you, telling you to buy one now and buy an investment straight away and keep building. That's not it. There's stress and pressure to trying to make money. The right stage of life, whether it's the beginning of having a family and children, it's important to create memories at that stage of life. But when they're older and they're in high school, your lifestyle changes and you have more affordable income, and then you can look at investing. And over a short period of time, if you have a lot of equity, which you'll have later, a good size super and other strategies over a 30 to 35 year period, I'm not kidding, we can definitely make a difference to you. And our job is to help you through 30, 35 years longer of life to help you make those decisions. So I'm here today because I love the Filipino community, and best of luck today and may the best team win.
Thank you very much, Brett. Thank you for your support. So, yep, guarantee yan. So, bad combination. So, if you love renting houses, don't go with these people because they will close the deal in 3 months and under. If you love renting. So next, Care. Sherman.
Hi guys, I'll make it short. Thank you for having me. On behalf of John, Beth, and myself for Care Real Estate, and also Rebecca with Care Property Management. Just want to congratulate Corinda Fishing Club again for a last successful season, and best of wishes for the new season. And may the best team win. So, you know, Care's been supporting the community, the Filipino community for a number of years now, and we are very grateful for all of you. So thank you, and we wish everyone the best of luck. Thank you again.
Okay. So, thank you, Sherman. So, we'll have our ceremonial jump ball, and we would like to invite Brett again to just take some photos.
Okay, first time. What page, please?
Photo shoot and jump ball.
Okay, just for formality. Okay. So, first time, both teams, please.
First five, clutch, and first
Into
five.
the court.
Pa-picture lang, ayos lang naman, ayusin.
Okay, just for formality.
Kuya Bob? Photo op lang na jump ball with Brett. Photo op lang si Brett.
O sige, all players, please. For a photo shoot. Ayan. Show your big smile. Yan. Okay, once again, we thank our sponsors. Okay. Those are our sponsors, My Expert Care and Prospero Fund. Thank you for your support. We appreciate it. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. First five both teams. First five for everything. Okay. Oh, time? All right. Again? Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Okay, I requesting players, give it up your best. While we do have visitors, once they're gone, you can do whatever you want. No, just joking. Okay. Oo nga pala. No. Oh, yung may nakahikaw. Range.
Sa amin dapat yun.
Bulitas. Tanggal.
Mga higaw po ang pitas.
Binibigay sa amin yun.
Gabi.
Magaling maglaro. Sobra na kami kasi.
Oo, sige.
Kung sasali pa sa
Ayan.
amin yan, 14 na kami.
Verse 5. Number 7, 79, 33, and 18 for Prospero. For Clutch, 10, 5, 13, and number 12. Okay, all good. Good to go.
There you go. There you go.
The boy, wala. Chris. Kaya si Chris, nakakas na the boy. Pinasa kay Rico. Drive, thanks, ayun. Pinasa. Raymond. Wala, kagigising pa lang. So, pass fake. Kay Jack. Jack. Wala. Raymond pa rin. Ayun, kay the boy. The boy, fake. Oh. Back to Jack. Jack. To Eros. Eros, push up. Wala. Rebound, Roy. Rebound. Eros. Dapat to Zero. Jack. Dribbling the ball. Yan. Ang score natin 5-0. Number 5, right. Ooh, close. But no cigar. Ayan, si Rico. Rico. Whoa! Kick.
Awesome play, boys.
Inbound, number 12 to number 5. Si Red. Yun, kay Eros. Eros, pass! Wow! Ayan na si The Boy. The Boy! Uy, ka rin! Ano ka ba, The Boy? Kaya ka mag-practice ka kanina! Naubos! Ayan si Brian. Brian, to Raymond na deflecting run. wala, Chuck. Raymond, inbound to Brian, back to Raymond, for 3. Ayun na. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, bantayan niyan. Pero pag kalaban namin, hindi makakapono sa akin yan. Ayan na. Si Chuck. Inside pass na ni Brian. Ayun. Oh. Good goal, Red. Good goal. Raymond to Chris. To Brian. Brian. To Rico. Rico, underneath. Wala. Sino pa rin? Understand, Chris. Ayaw, nakuha ni number 12. Kailangan sa pitsa. The boy! Ayan na si The Boy. After 3 tries, finally, 2 points. Grace. Last stop si Chuck. Prospero ball. Brian for 3. Ayan na, pass. Lays up. 2 points. Nice shot. Nice pass. Ayan. Lopez. Kaya nagpapasahan. Nakita si Brian. Balik kay Lopez. Lopez. Lopez fires. Oh! Hindi ba lang tumama? Lopez. Ayun na si Raymond na naman. Wala. Nakuha na niya. Wala pa rin. Nakuha niya. Oh. Number 17. First foul, Brian. First team foul ng life. To Chuck for 3. Wow. Nice shot, Chuck. Number 14, 3 points. Chris to Ringo. Ringo. Nice. Rebound number 12. Si Gian. Ayun, Keret. Back to Gian. Ayun, pinasa sa labas. Keret. Red, get the boy. Nasa ilalim. Ayun, balik ke Gian. Gian. To Red. Another good goal. Red. Maganda gising ni Kalbo. Traveling again. Okay, Kaloy out. 22 JR in. Ayan na. Oh, isa pa ulit. Second, number 21. Ayan, si Chris. Dalam nagpapasahan. Keroy, back to Chris. Chris for 3. Wow! Chris, napakalinis ng tira din ah. Eros. Lance. Wala. Otuya. Follows up as he using the board for 2. Eros 2 points. Ayan si Chris. Si Brian. Tatapit. Agaw. Ayan na. JR. To Gian. Unbelievable. What a goal. Gian 2 points. Ayan. Number 9. Raymond missed the 3-point shot. Okay. Green ball. Okay, sige. Wala. Wala. Okay. Number 7. Ringo, first foul. Arm contact. First shot again, missed. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound Lloyd. Pass to Ringo. Ringo drives. Wala. Rebound kaya to Jack. Jack. Chris. Rebound Ryan to Raymond. To Chris. Chris. Pass to Ringo. Ringo missed again. Rebound kaya. J.R. dribbling the ball. Prosperous goal. Last touch Real. Bryant. Oh. Number 14, blocking foul. First foul, Chuck. Okay, inbound record. To Bryant, back to Ringo. Ringo pulls up. Wala pa rin, rebound. Royce! Royce foul is up. Missed that foul, number 21, Ken.
Hindi sila makapunta sa ilalim.
First foul, Ken.
Nai-intimidate eh, no? Ma-challenge kasi.
2 shots for Roy. First shot is good. 1 point. Second shot, good again. 2 for 2. Santos. Okay, Dea, dribbling the ball. To Chuck. Chuck, back to Dea. Dea. To Chuck. Inside pass to Dea. Dea. Oh! And another shot again. Unbelievable. He's gonna move. Dea, another 2 points. Ano ka ba sa testa? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Chris, Ringo. Ringo. Ayun, basket. No more time. That's the end of our first quarter. Score. Representative Brett here. Ken and Prosperous Fan. Chris Lee. Rebound Boy. The boy pass break to Opila. Opila to Dea. Dea drives through. 2 shots. Foul number 28. Thank you, referee. Okay. First foul, Castro. Number 20. Salah. Oh, 28 Salah. Okay, Chris. Chris again. Oh, pass to Brian. Brian. Wow, nice shot, Brian. To the point. Okay, Gian to Dubs. Opila. To Derek. Derek to Gian. Gian pulls up this rebound. flick the ball. To Derek. To Gian. Gian! What a pass to the shot. Nice assist. Gian 2 points. Grabe. Alam. Ayun na, to Raymond. Raymond Bryan. Raymond. Raymond Bryan's miss. Allowed rebound by Dean. Hindi na kaya yun. Kung 40 seconds ang nakakuha pa. Lorenzo. 2 points. Nice pass by Bryan. Ayan. Umpilan. To Gian. Back to Umpilan. Ayun. The boy. To JR. To Gian. Gian. Oh! Number 8. Another foul for Michael. Okay, stop tayo. Pwede ba rin? Okay. Sige. 22 and number 10 out. 14, number 5 in. 2 shots for Gian. First shot, miss. Okay. Last throw. Second shot, miss again. Rebound, Michael. Okay. Lopez. To Lorenzo. Lorenzo. To Michael. Michael intercepted by Derek. Derek to Chuck. Chuck. Easy basketball. 2 points, Chuck. Ayun. Nakaharap si Lopez ni Kapilan. Chris. Great goal. Oh, okay. Ayun, Chuck. Gian. Number 8. Michael 3 fouls. Okay. Substitution. Number 12. Out. 13 in. Oh, deflected by Raymond. Raymond. Wala pa niya. Pinasa kay Chris. Chris. Balik kay Raymond. Raymond. Ayun. 3 points. Ayan na. Opilan. Opilan. Drives. Rebound. Pass to Raymond. Ay, nabakaw. Nabul na Raymond. 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 Foul. Swagger play ganun pa rin ba? Fred. Ante ba yun? Pwede lang itaw.
First game pa na, no?
Number 14. Raymond first shot is good. Chuck 2 fouls. Raymond. Second shot. Pasok na naman. Tabla na tayo. Third shot. 3 for 3. Maganda gising ng referee natin ngayon. Nagre-reklamo ng referee, tapos sa amin referee nagre-reklamo. Sa amin nagagalit. Okay. Wala namang obvious din ah. Ikaw kung gumawa ka ng istorya, paano ka pwede ka naman ano ah. O sige, stop tayo. Talaga, parang si Jason Say. Talaga to. Paano si Jason Say makakulong to eh. tayo sa laro. Jack, dribbling the ball. Number 14. Ayan. Jack, pass to Eros. Eros. Pulls out. Wala. Pusti. Di ba laban? Ayun, ako ni Eros. Ayun. So, ayun na si Chris. Patay na tayo dyan. Mabilis na. Chris, 2 points. Ayan na, lumuwag na po. Prospero, 20. Clutch, 17. Ayan! Salot! Chris again. Chris! Wow! Chris! Lemon red. Red. Ayaw, kita. 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 Eros. Ayun si Derek. Pinasa ka rin. Red. Balik kay Derek. Derek. Eros. Eros. Pusa. Wala. Ay, ay, ay. Bala. Chris. Ringo. Ringo. We have a foul. 28. Derek, first foul. Oh, last 30 seconds. First shot, missed. Time is winding down. Okay, second shot is good. Regular 1 point. And up. Basket counts, 2 points. Eros. Clutch ball. Okay. Inbound Dian. Kofilan. Jack. Oh. What a shot. Chris. Oh. Kofilan. First foul. Rigor. Rigor. Number 26. Another foul of Ilan. 2 fouls of Ilan. Rigor. Half time. Wala. Okay. Prosperous ball again. Inbound Rigor to Lorenzo. Back to Rigor. Rigor. Oh! Jack. Abiasa. Jack for 3. Wala. Rebound Michael to Lopez. White ball, right, back out right. Green ball tayo. Always ready. Are you ready, Kami pa tatanungin mo, Boy Scout kami. Oh, ayan, diyan. Kumpilan. Pass to Eros. Eros. On contact. Number 33. Santos. First foul. 33. Okay, 2 Two shot for JR. JR, first shot is good. Magaling pa talaga ito si JR. Lamang na. Dart kayo, dart. Second shot, JR, 2-2. Ayan na. Balik na naman ang kalamangan. Ringo. To Lorenzo. Back to Ringo. Ringo. Pass. Miss. Rebound. Ringo. Follows up. 2 points. Okay. 24-23. 1 point lead. Gian. Ayun. Oh, nalibang Lorenzo. Lorenzo. 5, 2 points. Wow. Oh. Back up. Lorenzo. Ayun. Ringo. Easy shot. Easy shot. 2 points. Ayan. 3 points. Okay. Substitution. Inbound Lorenzo. To Chris. Back to Lorenzo. To Chris. Chris. Hello, to Michael. Michael. To Chris. To Roy. Roy. Underneath. Rebound Dina. Ayun, Patrick. Intercepted by Chris. Chris. To Ringo. Ringo. Double 2. Body contact down. Sabi ng referee. JR first foul. Okay, 22 out. 21 get in.
Third.
Michael first shot missed. Second shot, let's see. Ringo follows up 2 points. Ayan, taas pa rin ang sisa. Good defense. Time out. Time out. Clutch. Raymond. Inbound. To Chris. Chris. Oh, pinasa. Naaaraw. Naaaraw ni Eros. 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 Wow. What a shot. Number 13. Offensive foul. Chris, number 18. Lopez, first foul. Ayan, back to Eros. To Luke. What a shot, number 5. Red 2 points. Raymond for 3. Wala, rebound the ball. No. By Diaz. Raymond to Chris. To Ringo. Ringo. Wala, Diaz. Michael. Number 8. 4 fouls. And warning for penalty as well. On. Alright, line ng foul. Three calls and down. Eros. Jumper. Wala. Rebound. Diaz. Nahampas. Hindi sinasadya. Number 7 is involved. 2 fouls, number 7.
Kanina ka pa?
Ayun, tigil. Oh, cannot make it. Line ball. Turnover. Ayan, si Chris. Chris. Ang bilis ni Chris. Yun, Raymond. Raymond. Ayun, kay Ringo. Ringo. Ayan po, si Ringo. Ayan, sigurado na ito. Ang ganda ng kasama. Ayan, unbelievable. Labang na naman ulit na. 1 point. Chris. Kinaharas ni Daboy. Chris. Ganap ng papasahan. Ayun. Ayan, Daboy. 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 Oh. 20 seconds. Sige. Ayan, Michael. Turigo. Ayan po, si Raymond. Last shot daw sila. Ayun. Raymond. Wala. That's the end of third quarter. Ang ganda ng laban. This is come on, Grip. Oh, isa pa. Ayan na. Okay, ready? Oh, time. Lorenzo for 3. Nakalibaw na rin. Ayan, Lorenzo. Oh, pinasa kay Chris. Ayun, oh. Chris. Drive. Pinasa kayo kay Brian. Brian! Wow! Brian 2 points. Number 17. 32-31. Shot. Chris. Okay. Okay, Lorenzo. Chris, dribbling the ball. 9 minutes. Chris. Yeah. To Brian. To Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Chris. Chris for 3. Chris. Rebound. Rebound by Raymond. Raymond. Ayan. Raymond. Number 13. Okay, isang tayo. First foul, Eros.
Hindi ko naglaro kagabi ah.
Brian.
Pre, hindi ako nakalaro kagabi. Kumain na
Number
kami.
70.
Wala yung nakasi ko sa akin ngayon. Hindi naglaro.
Second shot. Miss. Oh, 14 seconds ha? 14 seconds ha? Brian.
Sayang. Sayang.
Chuck, dribbling the ball. Ayun o. To JR for 3. Ang galing. JR. Pass to Red. Red, back to JR. JR. Correct. Sige, sap. First shot, Brian, 1 point. Second shot, miss, rebound, Dia. Ayun, pinasa kay Dia. Dia, tipis. Unbelievable. Basket down. Ball number 26. Omilan, 3 fouls. Rigor, bonus shot.
Hello.
Bonus shot. Wala. Sino ka naman? Raymond for 3. Wala. Rebound, Eros. Eros. Pulls up. Wala. Pushing foul. Number 9. Raymond, first foul. Oh, 16 seconds to shoot. Eros. Pass to Jack. Oh, 5 seconds violation. Oh, indoor foul. Kaya na. Lorenzo. Ringon. Ringon. Lorenzo. To Chris. Chris. Penetrate through. Pass to Ringon. Ringon. Pulls up. Dia. No second motion, please. Relax lang. Number 28. Okay. 1-14. Okay. Sorry. Watch. Raymond, Dia. Umikot na naman. Wala. Sino ka naman? Si Raymond. Eros, 7 seconds to shoot. Jump ball. Like tayo, basta ng ball. Ayan. 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Time out on clutch. Oh, 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Ayan na. Chris. Nakakas ka na boy. Ayan, the boy. Ang bilis talaga ni Chris. Ayun o. Eros. Ayun, ako. Ayun. Buksa.
batch na kami, pre.
Number 73. 70. Ryan Rose. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Settle, settle. Okay, sige, okay. Ayan o. Inbound. Castro. Ayun, Ayan na. Ringo. Ringo. 2 points. Ayan o. 1 minute. Number 9. Priority fouls. Meron pang foul to give ng green. Okay. Inbound Raymond. 19 seconds. Oh. Ayan o. Ayun, pinasa kay Lopez. May foul to give pa tayo, ha? Meron isang foul. Ayan o. Walang konti na. Oo, ngayon.